Well, hey guys, sorry it's been a while. Life has been busy. We have been getting into football and all that good stuff starting in August. But we're getting ready to merge our birds. You see them back there behind me? That is our future egg layers, and they have gotten big. We're going to be joining them up with Buzz and the rest of the flock. So there is a transition to this where we have kept them separate, let them grow big enough. And now it's about time that we start to introduce all the egg layers and the future egg layers together. So let's get started. Well, as you can see behind me, the grass is really tall in this area. This is where our garden used to be. This gets all the sun, and we have had a ton of rain lately. So the plan is to take them and move Buzz's group down here. So we are expanding the fence all the way around. We have opened it up, and we're going to combine Buzz's fence with the future egg layers. So that we're going to put them all in one big fence netting. Our Stark line chicken netting works really good, and we've got it on a pretty powerful charge. So we're going to bring Buzz and his ladies down here tonight. We're going to let them get used to these ladies down here. Now they will still stay in their mobile chicken coop, and we're going to continue to move them around, but let them sense them, be around them for a couple days. So let's get the net moved. One cool thing I did want to tell you guys about was we transplanted some elderberry. We've got two locations, one directly behind me where the burn barrel is, and then the other one is right here. And look at all those elderberries. This is the first time we've done it, but this little bucket is full. So elderberry syrup, oh my gosh. I'll edit that, or will I? Okay, so I know it's hard to tell right now, but it's about 8:30. The sun is setting. We're gonna go around and check and see if the chickens are up so we can close the chickshaw door and move them. We're waiting on them to go to bed. Everybody's in bed. It's okay. It's just me. Hey, everybody going night-night? We didn't forget anybody? Okay, coast is clear. All right, so they're all in their coop, and we didn't miss anybody. We were waiting on that one. There's always a straggler, but she finally went in. So let's move them. Somebody come up here and give me resistance. What's that song? Pretty good? Yeah. It's good. It's good. We're almost there. Hold on. Slow down. All right. Y'all can relax. Woo! Watch out, Emmy.
Yeah. The new one doesn't have a big star.
All right, Emmy, go get the water.
Okay.
And lay it in your while we start working on the fence.
All right, yeah, let's go get all the sunflowers.
All right.
Now good.
Everybody good?
Yeah.
Okay. That'll work.
Hopefully not. Okay. Keep it on YouTube.
Yep.
It might be.
Oh my goodness. Y'all relax. You're okay. Your new neighbors wondering what in the world's going on. Well, the chickshaw up and down these hills, even though it's great, it is a chore that takes more than one person or you would definitely get ran over. So now we're gonna connect the fence. Lauren and Landon are up there taking care of that. And it's dark, even though the camera doesn't really do it justice. The sun is set, night is coming, and we're gonna get the rest of this fence put up. All right, so the netting is done. We've combined the two. You look right here, there's just a slight height difference. We just loop those together, tie them off, and we'll clip them together. But we have expanded their yard to basically the entire run. And we've got our meat birds, our last batch of meat birds coming in. They're gonna share this whole territory together. And then we'll eventually move all the meat birds over to the garden when it's time to let them just go through the garden and get in whatever they want to when the garden's finished.
So loud.
Hey there. Hey there. All the way from Texas.
Yeah, I don't think I'm also
Oh.
startled. I don't see any
Everybody looks healthy.
dead ones, yeah.
Yeah. They're just sleeping. 55. So we'll count them as you go. Oh, goodness. Is that a rooster?
I don't know.
Oh, they all should be. There you go. Hello, little one. Hey. Hey. Oh, he just pecked the camera. Well, that's good. They're a lively bunch.
They are.
You guys had a long flight from Texas. Well, oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Climb
Get
your
down.
buddies. Get off. What's the hatchery we got these from?
Windy Meadows.
Windy Meadows in Texas.
Yeah, we've always had really good luck with them.
Yep, got you some water.
Oh my gosh. Look at that one asleep.
Oh,
No, you got it. Wait, if you come this way. Look. That one.
chilling.
Yeah.
Long flight. Well, this is our last batch of meat birds. We've got 55 and everybody looks healthy so far. So we're gonna go through and count them out, introduce them to the water. We also do a little egg trick that we learned from just an old farmer. He said to mix up an egg, give it to them, and it seems to have worked pretty good. We haven't really had any negative issues since we started doing this, but we are gonna introduce them into their brooder, get them some water, and then a couple hours later, we're gonna put their feed out there. And if you'd like to know how we built these chicken brooders, we'll leave the link right about there. Check that out. Well, we decided to go ahead and make this a part 2 video because the chickens came a little bit early, the baby chicks. So we're getting ready to merge those two. We've got them getting acclimated together down in the chicken run. So part 2 of this is going to be where we physically introduce them. My daughter and my wife, they're gonna clip the wings of the new birds and prop up their chicken tractor and let them introduce themselves and then eventually put them in. So we're gonna keep you updated. Thank you for hanging with us. We'll see you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.